I've got a problem. I have no idea how to make a video. So here I am speaking with a camera because this is my way of starting. I should have probably thought out what I'm going to say in this video. Maybe it's for the best that I didn't think anything through, but here I am, sitting in my chair, looking around my room, with nothing to do. What to make a video about? That's a problem. So, I'm guessing I should probably change the scenery to make the video more interesting, you know? Probably I should look up what other people have done before me. So here I am, sitting behind my PC and figuring out how to tell a story. You tell a story by giving a problem which I've given you. Then we should start solving the problem, figuring out solutions, how to solve the problem. We should have a guide in our story, which in this case is the internet. We should have me trying to overcome that obstacle, which in this case is me trying to make this video. And third, finally we should have the point which seems the hardest to overcome, but we overcome it anyway, and finally find a solution to our problem. Easy. I think it is. But not that easy because we have to overcome the third point, which was to overcome the biggest obstacle, which is actually making the video. And I have no idea how to make the video. So here I am sitting and talking to you. One thing that I know that a lot of YouTubers do is they walk while making their video. They walk while making their vlog. They walk because they have nothing better to do. They constantly make changes in their rooms to make it more interesting. Change the camera angles, figure out a lot better places to record in. Maybe this is better, because in this way you can actually see my face and the lighting is good. I should probably use inspiration from any dreams that I would have. Anything that I've learned over the years. Like I learned a lot from improv theater. I know that mistakes are good. I know that I should notice mistakes. I should make mistakes my own. I should own my mistakes because it makes the videos a lot more funnier. And I should take a good rest. Now I'm in a different spot. I just felt like it. Why not? Life just has so much to do, so much to talk about, so many stories to tell everyone about. But for some reason I feel like there's nothing. I want to tell a story about anything, and you should be able to tell a story about anything. But when I pick a subject, per se, I wanted to make a video about learning. I didn't find it in me to tell a good story about that. I'm really interested in learning. I'm really intrigued about every single technique, every single way of learning. But for some reason I saw that, okay, this thing, it's not going anywhere. So I stopped. But I don't think I should stop with anything. I should just go through the motions and figure out, okay, did it work? If it did, great. If it didn't, I made a video and I'm improving. I learned something. Like right now, by looking at different angles at my room, I'm learning a lot about it. Like one thing, I didn't know it was so dirty under my bed. And you know, something that I just realized is that I need to probably re-record every piece of audio that I have in this video because my phone's microphone is absolute garbage. Also, the video quality is not that good, but I mean it's better than my webcam, because let me show you my webcam. My webcam is absolute garbage, and this is why I'm using my phone right now, because as I said, my webcam is absolute garbage. But still, makes a great story to show you everything. You know, I'm starting to think that maybe I do not need to actually make a good video. I should just ramble about how I want to make a video and do nothing else in the video. Seems like a good idea. It's kinda loud in here, but something I realized is that this video actually is my biggest difficulty. The one thing that I need to overcome. So by making this video, I'm already telling the story of me making a video and me having trouble making videos. So here I am making a video about me making a video, about me having trouble making the video, and you hear it, it's kind of a loop. It loops on itself. It's a story. Everything is a story, you know. Every single thing in this world should be a story, and we should be telling it. We should be showing the world how interesting it can be. We should be showing the world that, hey, it's okay not to make a good video. We don't have to be perfect, you know. You know what? I think I've actually gotten through my problem. I feel like I've told a good story in this video. I feel like I got through the challenge of making a video about anything. In this instance, making a video about making a video. And I feel like next problem is about to come. I should need to edit this one. So wish me good luck, and I'll see you in the next episode, if there's ever gonna be one. Probably not, but I mean, who knows? I made this video, why not? What? But you know what? Who knows? I made this video, why not?